So if you ever have a problem with the tap that won't stop running, this is what you need to do. So the first thing to do was to take this out, because this sink was going to overflow. So that was the first thing. Buy yourself some time. And look, it's turning forever. Get the cover off your tap. Take the screw out, this one's loose. Check inside to make sure the spindles are there, to make sure it has the grooves still left on the shaft. This one does, and they're here. Okay, so this is turning the bit below. So let's see if that brass bit turns. Yeah, you can see that brass bit is turning. But it doesn't turn off this tap. Take the head off, push this down, and then turn it. You ready? Okay, it's all about pushing it down. So you have to take this off to check that you still have the splines. That's the word, the splines. So we do have the splines, and here we go, tap off. So this often happens when a tap that doesn't get turned on fully for many years then does. So it's just a worm when it's worn out. So if that happens to you, that's how you can fix it, and then call a plumber. That's quite important, because what can happen is you forget which way you turn this tap, and you accidentally it binds up, but not. So you're turning it anti-clockwise, and you end up screwing the body out of the tap, and that would lead to water hitting the ceiling. I've done it again. So on this one, I'm lucky enough I can push it down, get it going. But this tap needs cartridge replacement.